GCS is fueling its future workforce from within. Rising Andrews High senior Michaela Kushner is spending her summer turning wrenches on school buses. She spent the last 3 years in automotive classes at Andrews. So when a paid internship was available in the transportation department, it was a no-brainer.
I was extremely interested in it. I've never had a real job before, and I felt like this was the perfect opportunity to see if this is actually what I wanted to do with my life.
And that's exactly the goal of the internship program.
What this initiative is about is getting our students hands-on experience in the workforce. Hands-on experience is so vital and so important because it does definitely get them ready for post-secondary education, going into the workforce, whatever their career choice is, but this gives them truly that experience.
It needs to be bigger on the end.
Michaela's already gotten plenty of that.
I've learned a lot while working here. The first thing I did, like really hands-on, was change the brakes of a bus. I've learned about what's under the hood. I've learned about what's underneath the bus. I've learned about the brakes, the dash, the electronical stuff. Pretty much everything I've been able to touch base on in just the past 4 or 5 weeks.
In a male-dominated garage, Michaela stands out, but she's not backing down. And she hopes other young women won't either.
I think more women should get into this field, especially if you're a very hands-on person. I find it fun. Like, it's genuinely really fun for me to work on these buses. This is a great opportunity because you can make a lot of money in this job, and it's genuinely enjoyable.
Michaela is one of 8 interns working across GCS departments this summer, from maintenance and logistics to nutritional services. And district leaders say this is just the beginning.
Our ultimate #1 goal is to see even more interns apply. We now have 5 departments. We expect that to triple and the number of applications to quadruple. Why not GCS become its own partner in what we promote for our other businesses out in the community as well?